Hey, what's up, guys? I'm यहाँ पर um, Hey, what's up, guys? It's मैं पर Giga and yes, you saw the title that yes, today I'm going to be actually showing you how to get infinite coins or infinite ninjutsu without even Robux. Like at the store you can just get the infinite ninjutsu, but here you can actually get this. So the first thing you want to do is yes, I thought that I could just kill her or him. Okay, so first thing you want to do is if you're new, that's perfect. Just you will have an yes, you will actually have an okay, I just died. And yes, and yes, and guys, how do you like my drip? Yes, do you like it? I just changed it yesterday at the midnight. So this is my new drip. Yes, I will be actually revealing how to do this trick without even any Robux. So if you're new, just do this. Just don't take your this thing. Just first, what you wanna do? Okay, I'm actually just getting died. So the first thing you wanna do is where I have to go there. Oh my god, I'm actually a lot up here. I will just get that. So the first thing you wanna do is just go to the cell, this point thing, and then what you wanna do is just go stand here, and just don't stand in this place, because if you do this like this will actually not work. So what you wanna do is at the end point of this thing, at the this part, just stand here and do this, and you will actually get unlimited coins. Yes, it will actually get you a lot of coins. I'm actually at 7 billion, so I have actually used this trick, and yes, it will actually help you also if you have a lot of ninjutsu space. So yes, like this, just do this, and if you're on laptop or computer, just if you have an auto clicker, just you can just use an auto clicker, and if you don't have, just download any one of them. You can just get one of them in the Google, and then it will just give you actually this. And if I want, actually I'm the apprentice. If I want, I have 11 billion. So if I want, I can actually go to the samurai one. And yes, this will actually also work with ranks. Yes, but the problem is you will actually not get all the money back if you buy another new rank. And what is that? Okay, yes, you can. And yes, this thing is also good. This shuriken. Yeah, but it actually needs to reload. But yes, if you have an auto clicker, use it. actually you can just keep it on for 1 hour or like 10 minutes. Yes, 10 minutes is actually a lot to get 1 million. Then just go see some YouTube videos. Maybe just check your Discord. And yes, I'm actually not using Discord. I'm not using Discord anymore. Yes, go ahead and use Discord or chat with your friends, or maybe just wait, what? Okay. I don't even know who this is, but he actually messed this. Okay, now. Oh, okay. Oh, that's OP. That's OP. That's OP. Thanks. Also, I'm recording a bit. Yes, thanks so much. And yes, if you're watching this video, and yes, very thank you. Yes, I'm actually going to be giving you an friend request. Yes, go ahead and accept that. Your channel, okay. Okay, yes, I'm actually going to be saying it. Accept my request. And yep, he actually has a good grip than mine. Yes, you can actually say. Yes, he actually. Okay, wait later. Okay, so yes, so I was telling that. Yes, just go ahead and just watch some YouTube videos, or chat on your Discord, or hang out with your friends on Google Hangout or Google Chat. Okay, he's full. And or you can just go ahead and play with your brother or sister if you have one. But yes, I am actually on mobile, so I cannot actually just use an auto clicker, because I don't have. Yes, there's none of them which has mobile auto clicker. So I'm actually going to be pressing yes. Yes, this is actually painful for me. Yes, this is actually painful if you are on mobile. And yes, this is also my first video on this Ninja Legend. And yes, that's how you get it. And yes, I will be also showing that to prove. Yes, like this. Okay, I don't know why am I on the safe zone. Okay, this is not the safe zone. Nope, I don't wanna get there. Yep, I'm on safe zone. And like this rank, there's samurai. It costs 11 billion, but I have 22 billion right now. I just upgraded right now. Let's just buy it. The next is actually stealth. Yes, that's all. That is actually. And yes, like now, like I actually on your first on if you're on samurai rank, if you just click one time, you will actually get eight shuriken, and then you will actually get um full if you're on belt white one, which is actually yes, like oh my god, I'm actually yes, like this. And if you are on higher ranks, you will actually get a lot of coins very fast. Yes, and that was the trick. trick. Yes, it is actually also painful. Okay, I actually forgot to change this. Change this to this thing. Let me just change this. Oh my god, these are actually good. These are actually good. Wow, wow. Thanks, dude. No thanks. Wait, what? Wait, what? Okay. Oh my god. I think that was actually a glitch. I didn't got the 1 million at that one. I'm at. Wait, what? Wait. Wait. You see this thing, guys? I didn't even actually do anything. I was just equipping these things, and then easy. Wait, what? I think I actually got 1 quarter. Yep. I'm actually going to be buying another belt, so that yes, I'm actually, and yes, this if you want samurai, yes, you will never run out of money. I'm actually going to be buying some of these. I will be just going to the golden belt, and till this green things. I don't know what in the world are those, but wow, this is so easy. Okay, next island. Discover the next island above. Continue unlocking. Oh, wait, what? I just beat the bells. Um, without the next island. Okay, actually, I'm going to be buying these. Wait, what? It's just so fast that I actually, at one hit, I just got 900k. I just got 900k. I just not got 900k. What is this? I'm just going to be buying some of these to whenever I go to those things. And no, not the shadow bamboo. I'm actually going to be, oh my god, I'm actually, if I actually sell this, I'm actually going to be getting a lot. So that's it, and yes, that was the trick to do that. And yes, if you liked it, you know what, just subscribe, hit the bell, and turn on the notification bell. And yes, follow me on Roblox. And yes, if you also follow me on Roblox, you can actually join me in games when I'm playing. Yes, if I'm on a public server. Yes, if I'm not on a public server, you're actually not going to. And yes, I'm actually going to be the, um I'm actually going to be accepting one friend request from my friends listing. And yes, if you want, just the steps are, just comment down below your Roblox username, and comment down below your Roblox username, and yes, just go ahead and follow me on Roblox, and subscribe subscribe to my channel, and yes, I will be actually picking an winner on the next video. And yes, if no one actually does that, I will be actually not choosing anyone, and this offer will be gone forever. So this is your chance. So if you want to do, you can just do. Yes, this is your chance to do this thing. And peace out, guys. And what in the, why is my oh my god. Okay, I got that. Okay. And yes, if you guys want any more videos like this, you know what to do. You know actually what to do. Yes, subscribe. Peace out, guys. Okay. Yay. Peace out, guys.